Hey guys, this is Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this fun bat spinning video. Today we are going to spin a bat two different ways, or rather I have two of these bats and want to make two different yarns out of them. So the first method that we're going to use is the double gradient, or that's what I call it, where you start from one end of the bat, spin to the other, and then reverse it and spin back to the first end. So I'm just stripping my bat down into little chunks and then putting them in color order, and then I can spin them from the white to the blue to the yellow to the pink to the yellow to the blue to the white. So that's what I mean by a double gradient. So that's how our first bat is going to be spun. I'm just core spinning. I'm not doing anything ultra fancy. And then I will coil ply. So since I have done a million of these recently, I'm not going to go into how you core spin or coil ply. But I will turn on some music and let you enjoy the spinning. I'm only going to show one set of the gradient, one half of the gradient for spinning, and then a little bits of the plying, and then I will be back to talk to you about how I'm doing the second bat. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's fun little play with color video, and I will see you here shortly. Okay, so this is the first bat that I spun. It's identical to this one. And I kept it more or less gradient. It doesn't look that way the way it's wound up, but I promise it is gradient. Might be double, it's a double gradient actually. So I split it in half, and I did from the white to the pink, back around to the white. Now this one I want to do in smaller color sections. So, same concept, but instead of doing it in 2 sections, we're going to do it in like 4. Because I want stripes. So I'm just going to split this into strips and then divide each strip into smaller chunks. So if I was doing it in half, I would just do that. But instead, I'm going to turn it into 4. So that's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. And continue until I'm done. Okay, and now that I have them all laid out, I'm going to take one of each. I know you cannot really see me right now. Can you see that? Yes, you can see that. Okay. I had 2 pieces in my hand and didn't realize it. And that's the repeat. It's just going to keep going from there. And I'm zigzagging. Start here and zigzag our way down. Alright, these little white ones can be rearranged as needed. So yeah, that's essentially what we're doing. So now I am going to spin each layout of colors from the pink end through the yellow, through the blue, to the white, and then start over with the pink. So we're doing stripes. We're doing 4 repeats of the gradient. We're not reversing it in the middle. We're just doing it from one end to the other. And again, core spinning because that's the name of the game right now. And then we will move into coil plying again. And then we will round up with a look at the 2 yarns skeined up, which quite honestly, you can't see a difference, but if you were to kick them up, you would be able to see a huge difference in the color layout. So with that, I'm going to let you go. Again, I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful with learning how to manage colors in your bats. And until next time, I hope you enjoy whatever it is you're doing. Bye, guys.